Holy cow, guys, are we having great weather or what? I don't know about your part of the country, but here it's 50 degrees out right now. Christmas Eve day and it's 50 degrees and it's supposed to be 54 tomorrow, Christmas Day. Had a thing pop up on Facebook last night. I think it was 10 years ago, it was minus 11. Feel a lot better if it wasn't a little bit cloudy and the sun was out. There's no wind. If the sun was out, it'd feel really warm out. But we'll get back into the shop here. And looky what I picked up this morning. Picked up a new Mr. Heater Big Maxx 80,000 BTU hanging heater. And the reason I did that, kept thinking about this one. One, I don't know, maybe it's been sitting around for a while. I don't know. I know it's been sitting in here for a while. Got that, I got that off of a guy, I think it was southeast of Des Moines. Nah, maybe not quite a year ago. And it was used in his father's hunting cabin, hunting lodge, something like that. Anyway, I don't think it's hardly been used, but I kept thinking if I go and hang that up in here and go to use it and the darn thing, you know, there's something wrong with it, it doesn't work. First off, it needs to be converted over to LP. That kit is, I think it's like $55 or something like that. But would need to do that. And so I'm afraid if there is, you know, one or two things wrong with it, and maybe there isn't, but I'm afraid, you know, you start replacing parts on it, this and that, you're gonna start adding up some money. So I thought to myself, let's just get a brand new one. It's got a 3-year warranty on it, 10-year warranty on the heat exchanger, I guess. But anyway, I went with this one. It's a 80,000 BTU, and I got it. I just picked it up this morning. On the box, it says it heats up 2,000 square feet. And I've looked them up, and they say it'll heat up to 2,000 square feet uninsulated. With R13 in the walls, it's supposed to heat up to 2,500 square feet. And this is 30 by 30 in here, so this is 900 square feet. So it should work. These two heaters over here, that's 115,000, and this is 135,000. I just got this one last year before I got it. All I had was this one. This thing's like 20-some years old. But it would heat it up in here on the coldest of cold days. I mean, way below zero, wind blowing. It would run quite a bit, but it would eventually turn off. And with this one, mount it up in here, and gonna put a 500-gallon LP tank outside. No more having to go and get diesel fuel all the time. But gonna put a 500-gallon LP tank, and can probably set the thermostat, you know, just keep it like, you know, 50 degrees in here, maybe 45, 50. It hardly ever goes down below 45 in here. If it gets really cold outside, I don't know if it's ever been freezing in here. Maybe it has. It's been real close, I know that. But, you know, keep this so it'll kick on every once in a while. And just keep it a little bit warm in here. That'll help when you want to warm it up a lot. And I got that this morning because they're on sale. They're on sale through today. About $70 off. And I was looking at the 125,000 BTU, but it's about $250 more, and I just don't think I really need one that big in here. And this heater comes with the LP conversion. It's set up for natural gas right now, but it does include the LP conversion kit. So we're going to be doing that. And just thought I'd do a little unboxing video here for you. And it looks like it's upside down in here, which I suppose they ship it that way, I imagine. Weighs about 90 pounds, 88 pounds to be exact. At least that's what it says. So, get this thing out of here. Either out of here or the box off of it. Mounting straps, brackets, whatever you want to call them. Maybe let's cut the box off of it. Or rip the box off of it. See if we can tip it. Not sure if that's the bottom or the top. There's a vent there, so I think this is the top. Yep. Alright, got some instructions. We got the conversion kit. Put that up there. Guess I'll just break this box down. Alrighty, I think I'm going to turn one of these over and set it up on there. There we go. Now I'm not going to be able to get this hooked up immediately because I don't have an LP tank out back or any gas running in here at all. But that shouldn't take too long to get. And you can see on the back, there's the gas line, exhaust, your thermostat hooks up somehow in here. I haven't opened the instructions or anything, your electrical. And another nice thing with this one, unlike that one, this one you can vent either vertically or horizontally, so you can go straight through the wall, either back, or you can angle it, you know, this way or that way, and go straight out the wall. That one you have to do vertically, and just been learning a little bit about these. You'd have to go out the wall and up, and the top of that needs to be the highest point from anything in here within a 10-foot radius. And that would make it vent properly. This one has a powered exhaust on it, so it really doesn't matter. You can just shoot it straight out the wall and you're fine. Not to mention it just looks better. Everything new, works like it should. These they do move. A little stiff, but yeah, these are nice. Anyway, I'm going to read up on this thing a little bit, and I need to do the LP conversion, get it ready, and then I need to figure out where the heck I'm going to hang the darn thing. I'm thinking either in this corner or that corner. Well, welcome back everybody. I'm not sure where I left off. I think the last time I recorded was the day before Christmas. That's when I got this, and today's the 28th. So it's been in 4 days or so. I did take a couple days off there right at Christmas, and then we were in the field the last couple days. We've been putting on anhydrous. But today, temperature wise, it's not too bad. We're going to be in the 50s, or are in the 50s. I don't think we're in the 50s yet. But it's a little damp out today. Right now it's just mostly foggy, but here in a couple hours it's supposed to start raining, and going to rain pretty much, I think, till tomorrow morning. Last I heard, we're supposed to get about 1.5 inches of rain, and then it's going to turn a little cooler. And yes, I'm making some wings here after a while. But anyway, I'm going to get back on this heater. I haven't really done anything down here since I recorded last, and I need to convert this over to LP. It's set up for natural gas right now. And I did read up on doing this. Doesn't look like it's too hard. I've never done one before. I believe we just need to take this cover off. Yep. 2 more of these guys in the front, I guess. Alright, so I got those 2 out. This should just come out now. And then we need to take out these 4 screws here, and this manifold, just rotate it down. Of course they're a different size. All right, try this again. Get these out. This sure wasn't very tight. And I said rotate this. Rotate it out. Okay. Well, that's pretty simple. Except I'm held up on some wires here. Okay, then the next thing we have to do, I've got 5 orifices here that these need to come out, and I've got 5 new ones that need to go in for LP. Then I need to come down here, take that, it's actually a cap, take that out, and there's an adjusting screw underneath that, pull it out, and replace a spring that's down in there. And these little guys take a 1/2-inch wrench. Said they took a 1/2-inch wrench. Maybe that's the new ones. Hold on. We'll try 7/16. Well, that doesn't fit either. What the heck size are these things? Huh. Well, let's try a metric something or other. Well, in the instructions, it says to use 1/2-inch. I think they meant 12 millimeter, I'm not sure, but 12 millimeter fits. How tight are these things? So I'll get these removed and we'll put the new ones in. Alright, so we got all these replaced, so now we're going to come over here and put that new spring in. Then to replace the spring, just take this cap out, which of course it won't just come out. Come on. They say to discard that, I'm not sure why, they give you a new plastic one. And then, down there's an adjusting screw. And you just unscrew that, pull that out, and the spring's underneath that, if you can see down in there. So I know I can't very good. You pull that guy out, and then there's a spring in there that I am going to need like a little screwdriver to get out. Like so. Or a magnet would work. I think you're supposed to get it out of there. Right there. Got the new spring in here. So we'll drop him down in there, just like that. Put this new guy in, which looks just like the old one. I'll probably just give you a new one. Anyway, screw that in, and then the new cap, and we'll have her done. It says to screw this down till it stops, and then back it off 1.5 turns. Okay, it stopped, so there's 1.5. Then we put this cap back in. If you can get your fingers in here to do it, there we go. That doesn't happen very often, have something just fall into place. Maybe it didn't quite fall into place. There we go. Then we'll just rotate this back up into place. Put the screws in. And now we'll put this cover back on it. I'm glad I had cardboard underneath it. And that's all there is to it. So converting that over certainly isn't a hard job to do. Probably a lot easier to do it down here on the floor than if it's hanging up in a corner somewhere. And with that being said, I think I'm gonna put it over in this corner if I can. I'm still going back and forth about it. I think I'm gonna go either in this corner or that corner. And very soon, such as possibly tomorrow, I'm gonna get this finished up on the truck. I got my Tahoe to fix. Gonna be putting this up. I need to call the elevator and have them bring out a tank. And so I can't really do that until I get the gas line ran, which I can't really do until I get it hung up wherever I'm gonna hang it up. So I need to get all that done. Get an LP tank out back here and get this thing actually running. So yeah, converting one of these heaters over really isn't hard. You just got, depending on what size heater you have, the 50,000 takes 3 of these orifices. The 80, which is what this is, takes 5, and the 125 takes 8 of them. Comes with the heater, and then just that spring down in the gas valve. Pretty simple to do. So give this video a big old thumbs up. Comments, they go down below. Hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell. That way you always know when I upload a video. And we'll catch you later, guys. Bye-bye.